Are you looking for the perfect gift to give your loved ones this holiday season? Look no further. We've got you covered. In this video, we're highlighting 6 amazing Christmas gadgets that you can purchase right now. From the latest tech gadgets to must-have kitchen appliances, we rounded up the best of the best that are sure to make your holiday extra special. Whether you're looking for something to surprise your family with or a gift for yourself, these products will make the perfect addition to your Christmas collection. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and discover the top 6 Christmas gadgets you need to get your hands on. Number 6. Multo. The Multo by CookingPal is an all-in-one smart food processor that can do the work of 15+ appliances. It comes with an ever-expanding recipe library that is updated weekly with recipes from multiple cuisines and diets. It is perfect for both beginner and expert chefs and makes it easy to declutter kitchen countertops. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities allow for remote cooking, and it also has 2 cleaning modes, and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Overall, this is a great device for anyone who loves to cook. Number 5. Dreametech L10s. The Dreametech L10's Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an advanced, fully automated cleaning system that is designed to make home cleaning a breeze. With its powerful 5,300 Pascal suction, dual rotary mops, and AI action navigation, no dirt or debris will escape its path. This robot vacuum and mop combo also feature an auto-empty system and a self-refilling and self-emptying base, giving you up to 60 days of automated hands-off cleaning. You can also customize your cleaning from anywhere with voice commands or by using the video control in the app. This robot vacuum and mop combo is a great choice for anyone looking for a more efficient and thorough way to clean their home. Number 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight and foldable camera drone that is perfect for anyone who wants to take their aerial photography game to the next level. With 4K and 60fps video, 48-megapixel photos, 34 minutes flight time, and tri-directional obstacle sensing, this drone is ideal for capturing stunning shots and creating beautiful social media content. The true vertical shooting feature and focus track make it easy to take amazing portraits, while the intelligent features such as master shots and quick transfer make sharing your creations a breeze. The included DJI RC comes with the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. With all these features, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a great choice for those who want to explore aerial photography and social media content creation. Number 3. Eilik. Eilik is a desktop companion robot with emotional intelligence and multi-robot interactions. It is a great way to brighten up your working day with its 4 basic emotional states, interactive games, and features. Its personality will evolve in response to your interactions with it, and you can also connect multiple Eiliks together. The team at Energize Lab has designed and developed its expressions, movements, storylines, and dances, and there are software updates for both Windows and Mac OS. Overall, Eilik is an amazing companion robot that will keep you entertained and engaged. Number 2. Famree. The Famree Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is a great choice for cat owners looking for a safe, efficient, and hygienic solution for their cats. It features a unique all-in-one waste disposal system that is designed to reduce the risk of cat entrapment to 0%. The box also has a dynamic collection system, refrigerator-grade odor elimination, an intelligent health monitoring system, and 4 cleaning modes. The overall size provides 65 liters of toilet space, making it suitable for cats up to 8 kilograms in weight. The Famree Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is an excellent choice for cat owners looking to keep their cats safe and healthy. Number 1. MEEPO Mini. The MEEPO Mini Dual Electric Skateboard is a powerful and reliable electric skateboard that is perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. It features a 200-watt dual-hub motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and climb up to 10% inclines. The 2,000 mAh battery gives it a range of 7 miles once fully charged, and the wireless remote control allows riders to easily control the speed and direction. The Hawaiian print on the bottom of the deck makes for a stylish ride. Overall, the MEEPO Mini Dual Electric Skateboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful electric skateboard.